Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to add a quiz in IgniteTech.in. Quizzes are a powerful tool for assessing your students' knowledge and understanding of the course material. In this video, we'll show you how to add a quiz to IgniteTech.in website, step by step. First, log in to your IgniteTech.in website and navigate to the course where you want to add a quiz. Once you're in the course, click on the Turn Editing On button in the top right corner of the screen. Next, navigate to the section of the course where you want to add the quiz. Click on the Add an Activity or Resource button and select Quiz from the list of options. Give your quiz a name and a description, and then scroll down to the Quiz Settings section. Here, you can choose the type of quiz you want to create, the number of attempts allowed, the time limit for each attempt, and more. Make sure to review these settings carefully to ensure that your quiz is set up correctly. Once you've configured your quiz settings, click on the Save and Display button. This will take you to the quiz editing page, where you can add questions to your quiz. To add a question, click on the Add button and select the type of question you want to create. There are several question types to choose from, including multiple choice, true/false, and short answer. Enter your question and answer choices, and then click on the Save Changes button. Repeat this process to add more questions to your quiz. When you're finished adding questions, click on the Save and Display button to preview your quiz. You can take the quiz yourself to ensure that it's working correctly, and then make any necessary adjustments. Once you're satisfied with your quiz, you can make it available to your students by returning to the course page and clicking on the Turn Editing Off button. And that's it. You've successfully added a quiz to your IgniteTech.in website. Quizzes are a great way to test your students' knowledge and assess their understanding of the course material. We hope this tutorial has been helpful, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.